So thanks a lot, sir, for joining us for this interview. So first of all, we'd like to know the person behind the role. Take us through your journey and what conspired you to bring here. How the universe conspired to bring you here for this interview.
In my career of 30 years in IT overall, behind that my father was initiated me to give to do this computers in 1984. Then after I started my services, IT services in 1986. So last 30 years when I have given my career to IT as a whole, as a solution provider and coding and designing whatever which we are seeing there. In those 30 years, I have given 15 years to SAP, means SAP, work with SAP, 15 years. So almost half of my career I have spent with SAP. Initially 4.0 B version, then when SAP implemented in 1999. So we were the first media house in India to adopt SAP as a ERP solution at that time, 1999. So then after naturally we are at this time we are the latest SAP product for all our business applications solutions in our group companies. Yeah.
So thank you, sir. So we want to know how is your role as a business head changing, and how do you define your role as a business head?
Being a CIO, I know I never worked as a chief IT officer. I worked only chief innovative technology, not information technology only. So if I see innovative, just like similar to SAP, how they are doing some uh, innovative solutions, technology instead of conventional activities which other ERP implementation applications solutions were working. So only thing is how to give some best delivery to organization, how the to the best use of that particular ERP application or SAP application in our organization to make the all the processes easy and cover all the processes within the organization.
So you just talked about how you make the processes easy in your organization. So what has been the role of IT in bringing efficiency in your business?
IT naturally without any good smart ERP application in any organization, even in of any segment, so we cannot survive. Now the 100% dependency is on business application. I generally not say ki that is SAP is ERP. I use that as a business application, and I somewhere I say ki I am not worked in SAP. I say I enjoy SAP. So mean enjoying SAP means ki first I see ki business requirement. This is our business requirement. We first see how that we can fit in this SAP environment in any module, standard or some JAD, and so seeing all the things to give the maximum output from this SAP application, to give the product to organization to our user in less cost, which this is our main use of SAP or IT as a whole landscape.
Also, we keep hearing about latest trends in IT, various trends in IT every day. So, what, according to you, are top few trends that you think are going to change the business in a very big way?
Somewhere now, what is happening in as you are saying ki business some new innovation to adopt in any ERP application or business application. So now this trend has changed. So earlier what were happening when from IT side we search any tool or application or we develop any application, we deploy that application to organization to put the force to users to adopt that particular solution or whatever, and to management we give this is the business application we have to run. But now this scene is changed. Now the expectation comes from business side. even higher management, business owner also they are expecting ki some new things would be there, some automation is will be there, some mobility is required, some cloud is required, some things which is not available past when they were not in position to deliver to best to their client, our clients, just like in our to our readers. So from their perspective, from business vision, from our business, as our business vision is ki now result oriented, innovative, trend setter. To train how to train set this that particular trend that is not available in market, that is not in with any other our computer media houses. So as per their vision, we think from IT how we can go to some automation, value addition, some mobility type of application within that particular soft solution. So only part is here is key, because somewhere if want to enjoy that particular pizza, so pizza base should be there, good hygiene, good quality pizza base should be there. So in case of this and landscape, we have already have SAP landscapes. On topping of then naturally we can put any mobility application and all that. So all this flavor, all the topping can make it that a product or just like pizza a good flavor and good taste that can solve the purpose to of all the our business users, our clients, our organization, our management. Yeah.
So from business trends, let's come to the user group here in India, the Indus. You're you're one of the first members of Indus. So how do you think Indus can help us in collaboration, networking, and learning of new technologies? And what are the other things think that Indus can help SAP customers
So
with?
in this case, I can say that now I am not questioning of Indus working. There is no doubt Indus is doing well. They are trying to collaborate all the others. But only part here in India is कि we attend so just like Indus session, Indus forum everywhere. But for that day, we get together all our clients, customers, SAP customers or Indus members. We uh, come at one place. We discuss with each other. Then after there is no collaboration with between our clients or customer or Indus members. So from Indus side, no doubt they are doing well. But only thing is कि we have to connect at our own level also. If Indus member after that particular forum or after that particular session, if they connect with each other, so naturally we can think कि how when the American this Indus group is going on, they are performing well. So, but in India, I think there is some drawback. I think it in our working only, because when we go back to our organization after in the session, so naturally we start working in our day-to-day business and all other things. So we forget all this Indus what we discussed in this Indus and what we decided. But yes, from Indus side, even Mukesh Gupta is there, so he is very aggressive, connecting with all. He is trying to send mailer and SMS and all other things. So there's no doubt and no question on Indus capabilities and Indus productivity to Indian
So
Indian.
recommend it to other
Yeah,
customers.
naturally. Yeah.
So thank you for sharing your feedback on that front. So one of the last questions I would want to ask you is, what is your leadership secret, and what one moment in your experience with SAP stands out, and you would want to share it with our viewers?
I remember when we implemented SAP in 2007, fresh implementation. Initially, we implemented SAP in 2001. 2007 when we implemented, and that was the period of only 7 months. In the 7 month period, we gone live on our approx 40 business area, 40 plants in one shot with IS Media, only period of 7 months. And even I remember in those 7 months, I was on bed for 15 days. So I enjoyed that period, and on the 1st of August 2007, when we implemented and we gone live on that particular ECC 6.0 at that time. So that's what the wow moment for me. Yeah, even I will remember all the time in my whole life. Apart from leadership concept, yes, to maintain my team, because I am from technical background, not administrative, only to administration on the IT. So, being a technical background, my team, whatever we have right now, and they are connected with me. They give the faith to me, and they are loyal to me. And we, with help of my team, with help of my vision from management, our director, deputy director, Mr. Pawan Agrawal. So this faith from them and leadership naturally bring when we have some target or goal or some vision to do something. And naturally our team, our support, whenever we go to any implementation partner for some help, so they know very well that now that person has good technical capabilities, so we cannot say that now this cannot be done or this can be done in this way or this way. So my capability is only, or leadership is only due to my team and my personal skill set, technical skill set with me. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, sir. It was great interviewing you. Just some closing remarks about the event and what you're expecting today.
Yeah, generally I attended a number of session of SAP, just like earlier SAP Summit and some forum and some session and customer interaction. But this type of interaction, I think first time I'm attending, and SAP is also conducting such first time this DCOM name of thing. So naturally, when I will I discuss with SAP development team and told them that we are using SAP in this for this way. So they feel also proud on the yes, yes, yeah, we are developing such type of innovative product and tool. So naturally good is this.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for taking time and joining us. Thank you.